The world of aviation is changing fast, and at the forefront of this transformation is the Horizon Cavorite X7, an advanced hybrid electric eVTOL aircraft that promises to redefine air mobility as we know it. Unlike the typical drone-like air taxis that dominate tech headlines, the Cavorite X7 looks, flies, and performs like a real airplane, while still retaining the vertical takeoff and landing abilities of a helicopter. It's a creation born not in Silicon Valley, but in the hangars of real pilots and engineers with deep aviation roots. Behind this remarkable project stands Brandon Robinson, a former Royal Canadian Air Force pilot who once planned NATO missions. Now, as CEO and co-founder of Horizon Aircraft, Robinson has channeled decades of flight experience into building something truly revolutionary. His goal was simple but ambitious: to create a faster, tougher, and more capable eVTOL that works in the real world, not just in controlled test environments. Measuring 50 feet in length with a 38-foot wingspan, the Cavorite X7 can carry up to 7 passengers, including the pilot. Its size puts it in the same league as popular business turboprops like the Pilatus PC-12 or Cessna Citation. Yet the X7's hybrid design allows it to operate with much greater efficiency and versatility. Powered by a PT6 turboprop engine working alongside electric motors and batteries, it blends the best of traditional aviation and cutting-edge green technology. This system gives it a range of up to 500 miles, 5 times farther than many all-electric eVTOLs, which often struggle to exceed 100 miles per charge. That extended range is more than just a technical advantage. It transforms what the X7 can do. Instead of short inner-city hops, the Cavorite X7 could handle regional flights, such as New York to Toronto or London to Edinburgh, routes previously unthinkable for electric vertical aircraft. With a top speed of around 280 miles per hour, it's twice as fast as most eVTOL competitors, and roughly 75% cheaper to operate than a helicopter on a per-mile basis. Horizon's approach is grounded in practicality. Instead of pursuing flashy designs with exposed propellers and complex tilt-rotor mechanisms, the X7 uses 14 lift fans seamlessly integrated into its wings and front canards. Once airborne, the fans are covered by panels, and the aircraft transitions into efficient fixed-wing flight. The result is a machine that's sleek, safe, and aerodynamically optimized for real-world operations. The aircraft's design philosophy was heavily influenced by lessons from past VTOL projects, such as the 1960s Ryan XV-5 Vertifan. While that experimental jet met a tragic end, Horizon's engineers studied it in detail and discovered that its failures were due to human error and outdated mechanics, not the concept itself. Thanks to today's powerful electric motors and advanced flight control systems, the fan and wing design that once seemed impractical has been reborn for the modern era. Robinson explains that their main fan units now produce an astonishing 300 horsepower each, generating up to 800 pounds of thrust per hub. Combined with a hybrid propulsion system, this gives the Cavorite X7 the muscle to perform like a true aircraft, one capable of flying through clouds, handling bad weather, and maintaining stability during transitions between hover and cruise flight. In essence, the Horizon Cavorite X7 is the missing link between helicopters and airplanes. It offers the vertical lift and agility of the former, with the speed, range, and efficiency of the latter. Robinson believes that about 65% of global helicopter operations, simple point-to-point transport rather than hovering, could eventually be replaced by aircraft like the X7. As of late 2025, the first full-size prototype of the Cavorite X7 is nearing completion, with its maiden flight expected in 2027. When that happens, it could mark the beginning of a new era, one in which hybrid eVTOLs become the go-to solution for safe, fast, and affordable air transport. Horizon Aircraft's bold vision may well prove that the future of aviation doesn't just belong to the electric revolution, it belongs to those who dare to build smarter.